So guys, I find another paying website. Yes, this website is paying. It is really paying. I have withdrawn on this website. I'm going to show you proof of my withdrawal slip, and also the withdrawal is very very simple. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can earn on this app. You understand how to deposit and how to withdraw on this app also. So if it is the first time of coming across my channel, please like and subscribe. You get so, and also this is what I'm doing to earn my own money. See, I'm not this is not financial advice. So all you have to do is to click the link on my description box area or on comment section, and it will bring you here. Once it brings you here, all you have to do is to put your email, your login password and security password. Please make sure you always remember your security password, because you will use it to withdraw. You understand? Once you have added those all these things here, all you need to do is to click on this register. Once you register, it will bring you here. So you read through this to know what it's all about. Make sure you always read through. Understand? So you click this. After reading, you click this close. Close. You understand? So the minimum deposit for this website is $15. You understand? So that's the minimum withdrawal deposit, minimum deposit for this website. And also, let me show you my withdrawal slip. I withdraw $10 to yesterday morning, right? Or yesterday morning, either morning or in the afternoon. Yes, yesterday afternoon by 12. See, I withdraw it, and let's go to my Binance and show you that it entered my Binance account. So this is my Binance account. As you can see, this is not screenshot. This is my Binance account. See the $10 that I withdrew. You can check the time. This is 12:54, and this withdrawal I initiated it by 12:54:17, and it came 12:54:31. You see, so it's paid. So that's it. All you have to do, minimum deposit on this website is $15. If you want to deposit, all you have to do is to click on this recharge. Once you click on the recharge, you click on TRC 20 USDT or BEP 20 USDT. So once you recharge, once you click on the one you will use, let's say we are using this BEP 20 here, you click it. You understand? Copy this address, then you go and recharge. Once you are done recharging, then you click recharge complete. They will automatically put it on your dashboard. Once they put it on your dashboard, you come on this quantify here, click on it. It's ready. So the amount that you input, they have other amount. They have 65 USDT. They have 165 USDT. So I did 15 USDT. You click on it. You click. They will right click to unlock as these ones. So you click to unlock. Once you do unlock, your profit will be dropping every 24 hours, and you'll be getting 30% of your profit, which is $4.5. You get, you'll be getting 30% of every of your profit, and which is very nice. You get, so once you are done investing, all you have to do, if you want to withdraw, you click this withdraw here. You go to your home page and click this withdraw here, click on it. After clicking on it, you put your BEP 20 USD, your address, BEP 20 address. You go back to your Bybit account, click on asset, click on deposit, click on USDT and copy your address and put here. This my address is already there. Then minimum withdrawal is $4 and there is no charge fee. Once you are done, you put that your security password that you set when you were registering your account. Then you click confirm. The money doesn't take time to drop. It's very simple, you understand? So that's basically how to earn on this app. It is paying, you understand? And also remember, this is not a financial advice. You get, I will not be held any responsible for anything that goes wrong on this website, you get. So that's basically it. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more and more updates, and also put what you can afford to risk, afford to lose if anything happens. So that's just it. All right, see you in my next video.